Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. It's a beautiful day until it's not. Jermaine Edwards has come to the defense of Roshawn Ewers' over $1 million claim. The gospel singer is dismissing claims that Ewers, who went viral for his cover of Edwards' song Beautiful Day, was issued $1 million by American singer Akon for the song.
This post came out over a year ago. And we flagged the post on social media thinking that somebody was doing some misinformation, only to see just recently somebody would come back on social media to say things, you know what I mean? And it almost confirms almost the same thing. Like the narratives want to be changed, and I don't like that. And it's actually putting my friend's life in danger, because people are saying, community are saying that he has $1 million US and he needs to help the community.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
His comment comes following a post made by Ewers stating that his life is in danger due to false statements circulating online.
I did not receive any $1 million US from Akon. False statements like these is putting my life in danger. Please stop making false information.
Marcia Griffiths is grateful after being awarded an honorary degree from the University of the West Indies.
I'm standing here today and I am so overwhelmed. Nobody can say I never graduate. There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea.
The Queen of Reggae was conferred the honorary degree of Doctor of Letters at the institution's graduation ceremony over the weekend.
By the Senate and the Council of the University, I now confer upon you the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I am truly thankful for the vision I never had, 1964, to be standing here in the University of the West Indies receiving this. I am truly, honestly thankful that God has preserved me, that I could be here 61 years after starting out as a young girl.
She went on to congratulate the graduating class of 2025.
This is not the end. This is just the beginning for you all. Each individual here today, this is a beginning for a new life. All your dreams and your aspirations, this is a beginning for you. Just go for it and claim everything that you ever dreamed of.
Dancehall artist Squash is set to be released from a U.S. federal custody on January 25 in 2027, according to the Bureau of Prisons records. The Montego Bay native, born Andre Whitaker, was sentenced to 27 months back in November of 2024 and is expected to serve just over 80% of that time, in line with federal guidelines. While the date marks a major milestone, his journey may not end there, as immigration proceedings are expected to follow once his sentence is complete. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.